In the previous clip y'all seen, I went to Dutch Bros. I got me an iced cookie butter latte. Let me tell you now, it is a lot of calories, but this is my sweet treat because I went to the gym this morning. I also went to GNC to get me more of the Oxy Shred. This is my jam. Since I've been on my little workout journey, I have to have my Oxy Shred. Like, I ran out 3 days ago and I felt the effects. Like, I wasn't feeling like that I typically feel when I go work out. I got the Oxy Shred in the flavor Bahama Breeze. The last flavor I got was strawberry kiwi. I'm excited to see what this tastes like. It does have caffeine in it. And I went to Chipotle because why not? Why not? Why not go to Chipotle? I have a bowl. I have brown rice, chicken, cheese, pico de gallo, and vegetables. And I got queso, salsa, and chips. What I like to do when I get my chips and queso is I'll pour the red salsa inside the queso. I make it a little spicy. I got a spicy queso now. That's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna go ahead on and eat because this is not the real intro of this video. I was just telling y'all what I was doing. And when I come back, I'll be showered, refreshed, ready to actually start the day, even though my day started this morning. Anyways. Hey club members, welcome to my channel. My name is Courtney and this is the Courtney Club. Right now, I am getting ready to go home, like home. I'm going to Lamar, Texas. That is where your girl is from, straight from the L, 409, G County, Texas, All right. I'm gonna spend time with my grandparents because I will be heading back to Japan. I just want to be all up in their face while I'm still here, you know? I love my grandparents. Made it to my grandparents' house. I've really just been chilling with them, watching the football games, and then just talking about stuff. Today is Jackson's birthday. That's our family dog. Today is his 6th birthday. That is my baby. I'll insert some more pictures of Jackson. He bad. He's very bad. But he is sweet though. I wanted to show y'all my hair now that it's, I believe it's probably like 90% dry. It really just poofs up. That's really why I don't wear my hair out. One day I'll take time out and really work with some products to figure out like what could keep it like not poofy, or even if it does get poofy, it doesn't get frizzy, because that's kind of what's going on right now. But yeah, this is what it looks like when it becomes poofy. The next day, but I had came back from my walk and then I went to vote, and now I'm about to eat chicken from Leo's. So excited. I have been wanting chicken for a little while now. I got a 6-piece wing dinner. It comes with fries, toast, and a little salad. I don't think I'm eating salad, but I eat the fries and the chicken. Hey y'all, I'm already up. Got my stuff packed because it's time for me to go back to being an adult. I'm about to leave my grandparents' house. I truly enjoy spending any time with them. First off, they are 69 and 70. If you've seen them, you wouldn't think they are. I kept them young. That's what people told me, so I truly believe it, okay? back home for a while, but I'm gonna show y'all what I got from the Galleria. And I'll start with what I got from H&M. Like I told y'all before, I'm really in this transitional period when it comes to clothes because your girl has been in the gym. I've been having to try on clothes whenever like I go to the store because I think I'm still the same size I used to be, but no, I'm not. But now it's going down. We might get back to that same size, but I don't think that I'll get back to that size because I'm a grown woman, you know what I mean? Like, it's my grown woman weight. I'm trying to find that happy medium where I am happy, I feel comfortable. But what I did get from H&M are these jorts. I think these were so cute. When I get like shorts and stuff, my thighs really fill up this, but these, they did not. Like, they were still loose. I was like, oh my God, I love these, have to get them. Got these, and then I got the black pants, just regular black pants, and then they're kind of that straight leg at the bottom or tapered high waist. Then I got a long black dress. And this one, because I'm a little short, but it goes all the way to the ankles. Like, I think this is gonna be perfect for the winter. And it has like just a little slit in the back. That's cool though. From Ulta, I got heels. I have this Ultra Facial Advanced Repair Barrier Cream. I really like this because I love a thick moisturizer for my face. I really don't like a light one. I will use it, which I have their other moisture cream. And this one is a light one. I'll normally put like this on during the day and then this at night. If I feel like my face is lacking moisture, I will put this on during the day, but more than likely I'll just put this on in my sunscreen. I got the MAC Studio Radiance Moisturizing and Illuminating Silky Primer. I recently just got into this because I was really just using the e.l.f. Moisture Hydration Primer for my makeup, but this has really been doing wonders. Like, I don't really feel like I see that much oil seeping through. And from Real Technique, I got these for my face. And lastly, I got hand sanitizer. I'm obsessed with these. I know I can just get regular hand sanitizer. I know. But I really like these. I got the variety pack so I can take them with me. That's all I got. I'm getting ready to go to a bar class. I can get my little, oh yeah, like this is the bar. Like, it's like a ballet class. And then I'd be in there like this, and then be in there like that, and then you turn around, and then you stretch, and then you stretch. And yeah, I might be able to, I don't know, I might take y'all with me. Hello, bruvs. Good day, good day. So I got breakfast. I just got back, so I'm getting breakfast. I went to Pilates this morning. It was a good workout. But now I'm going to eat. I had went to this coffee shop. I was like, really wanted to get an acai bowl, but they didn't open until 9. I was like, I'm not gonna wait that long. Not doing it. There was a coffee shop like 2 minutes away. I drove there. Never been. It was real cute. And for the coffee, I have a honeybee latte with oat milk, honey latte, and I put oat milk in it. And for breakfast, I am having a breakfast bowl with eggs, potatoes, cheese, and I think that was it. These potatoes are pretty good. It was, there we go. Baby, this is honey. I really want to knock out packing today. I don't know how realistic that is. Today I have already checked off working out. Want to go get a pedicure, but I need to go take a shower, clean myself up. I want to get done packing today. I'm only taking 2 big suitcases and 2 carry-ons. I have to make it all work. I have to. It might be a little overweight. That's okay. We'll get to that step when we get there. But I need to get done packing. I need to be done. Need to be done. Stay with me now. Need to be done. Need to be done. I just finished at Sephora. I literally went in and did what needs to be done, and I came out. I have my one size setting spray and my Charlotte Tilbury foundation. I forgot to pick y'all up when I was in my class, but I'm gonna tell y'all a couple of my sentences. These are practice sentences. These don't really deal with me, but they deal with a lesson. Nihongo de nan desu ka? Toshoken de zashi o yamimasu. Watashi wa shikoshi nihongo o hanashimasu.
My treatment's done. Whew, this course is rough. And I am on my way.
Ring it.
How you feel?
I feel blessed. Blessed is all I can say. I'm blessed. God be the glory.
Did not know that was happening today. My mama got to ring the bell. She does not have any more chemotherapy appointments. Thank you, God. We did not know that was happening today. Like, I love a good divine intervention moment because that is literally all that's happened today. My mama asked me could I take her to her appointment this morning because my papa had to do something real early and he was just gonna meet us at the doctor's office. We're inside the doctor's appointment and they're like telling her, you know, what's next, all the steps, you know, what's upcoming. And the doctor at the end was like, all right, are you excited? You're gonna be ringing the bell today. And we were like, huh? Like, we all three like looked at each other like, excuse me, today? It's happening today? And he was like, yeah. He gave us the history. That's my papa. I'm gonna have to call him back just a second. He gave us the history of the chemo bell and all the significance. And after she finished her chemo appointment, my girl got to ring the bell. Now that I'm back home, I've been working on a video and then working on like short reels and stuff like that. Be on the lookout for another video. I'm about to take a brief pause because I'm about to go get a funnel cake with my cousin. Not just any funnel cake. Probably the best funnel cake I've ever had. I feel like anybody's had. Like, if you had this funnel cake, you know what I'm talking about. Like 10 out of 10, they don't miss. Like, they're so good. I would always thought, like, what if I got the cookie butter crunch and I put the Oreo ice cream on top?